So, good morning, friends. A warm welcome to you. This is the three challenge, right? So, you are doing great yesterday. We have the water gratitude today, yesterday, right? So now we will do with the you know oxygen gratitude, the day third. Oxygen is the most important part of our life. Without we can not survive at all with for a second while, right? And it is given by the plants. So the first gratitude was for the plants, right? And the second gratitude is for the water. That is an essential part of our life. And this the third day one day three gratitude for the oxygen. Oxygen, without oxygen we can't live, without oxygen we can survive, without oxygen we can't breathe, and without oxygen it is impossible to be for more than 1 second for the oxygen, and the universe will give us an oxygen in the abundance, right? So all the things is in abundance, but we don't know about what is in abundance or not, right? So I wish you you will have a great gratitude towards the oxygen. Like for example, if a patient is suffering with there is a problem in taking or breathing the oxygen, so that's the value of the oxygen will be counted, right? So, and for in studies we take about 750 rupees of oxygen daily, and it will, when it will convert into years, we will consume about 1 billion of 1 billion of oxygen, right? 1 billion rupees of oxygen. So this is the thing. So try to feel more gracious about the oxygen, so that no, oxygen is the important part, right? So go and get write some gratitude lines for oxygen, and go posting for that, right? So and the last line you have to say thank you, thank you, thank you for that. Okay. And we will introduce the gratitude rock today, so that you will become more positive and positive, right? So thanks for watching this video. Thanks a lot for sharing it. Thanks a lot for all that things that I have in my world, right? Thank you. Thanks a lot.